Hello everyone, it's me Mariam and I'm back to my channel. Once again, it happens. Basically, I had an event that I didn't want to go to, which I think we can all relate to, and I had to be there, but I hate it so much. It did not coincide with any of my plans. I did not want to be there, I don't know people there, and it was just I was a hot mess. And the whole situation, so yes, I wasn't productive at all. And so I felt like the day was ruined, and the person helped me and advised me to make a video out of it. So here I am filming a video. You can judge by the title what it's about. I like makeup, so I wanted to do a video doing a makeup tutorial for a wedding. Of course, it can be for anything. It was just my situation. So that event is over. Today is my first productive day ever. So yes, I decided to do this makeup and I hope you will like it. What happens to me is when I have to go somewhere where I don't want to be and I know I have to put makeup on and I'm not in the mood for something artsy, interesting, pink, crazy, or anything like a glitter cat eye, I don't know. It's just, I always go for the nude because I think it's a lot easier. It looks naturally. So here's me doing a natural makeup look with a matte chocolate chip palette by Too Faced. And yes, by the way, if you're wondering whether this palette really smells like chocolate, it does. It does a lot. So let's begin the tutorial. it's ready, it's beautiful, it's kind of nude with a lot of brownish, mostly brown colors, which I really like. This look turned out kind of bright, which is perfect. For example, if you're going to some big event like a wedding, it might work great because it looks like you put a lot of effort, which is actually took me 27 minutes, but you know, I was also talking, so around 20 minutes, and that's how I did my eyeshadow, which is great. We love to save time, especially if we don't want to go to places where our family tells us to go, because like, you know, your parents, your relatives, just you have to be there, but you don't really want to be there, and it's kind of, yeah, that's just my whole life. So I hope you enjoyed this look and you will recreate it in case you will. I hope you will not be in this situation, but I think, you know, it happens. So you can recreate this look. I actually really like how it turned out, and I think adding the gold, the highlight in the end, was really working magic for this look. So yes, I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Hello everyone, my name is Mariam and I'm back to this channel again. This is my first productive day after a lot of not productive days. Are you wondering what I'd been doing that whole time? Well, I was mostly dragged by my family.